Welcome fans to this unboxing and review from the Greenlight Collectibles of the Kings of Crunch Series 1 Limited Edition. This is a 1/64 scale hobby grade diecast of Bigfoot, the 1974 Ford F-250, and he has mud on his tires, on his chassis, some up on his body, so we're gonna take a look at that. So this would be kind of a mud version of Bigfoot. Of course, I got two, one to stay in the box and one to be able to take out and display. On the front cover, you can see in the background the old Carolina Crusher is in the background, which is pretty cool. So on the back here, you see a better shot of Carolina Crusher back here. Now we're gonna see who's in the Series 1. It says collect the whole series. So we have a 1970 Chevrolet K10 USA number 1, 1972 Chevrolet K10, a 1970 Ford F-250 Bigfoot 1, a 1975 Ford F-250 King Kong, 1971 Chevrolet K10 of Gulf Oil Super Special, 1971 Ford F-250. So this is all in Series 1. There's also a Series 2 that's going to be coming out. I thought that I would save some time and just get Bigfoot out of the box. Here we go. You can see it says Kings of Crunch right down there on that side. And then what it says in the front. And then on the opposite side in the back has Kings of Crunch. So let's take a look at Bigfoot. I do not recommend small children playing with these, since these are hobby grade diecast trucks. Oh man, here it is, Bigfoot, my favorite monster truck. There's the front of Bigfoot. There is mud on the roof right there, and also on that side you can see as well. Has the name Bigfoot, has the motor popping up. Let's look at this side of Bigfoot. Starting in the front, has the Summit Racing equipment sticker. Bigfoot 4x4x4, the original monster truck. You see some mud splattered up on the side of Bigfoot. There's the window decal. That's cool. There's the little Bigfoot in Firestone. We'll see in the back. www.bigfoot4x4.com. Ford, and then on the license plate it looks like MW 4-wheel drive, Midwest 4-wheel drive center. In the bed of the trunk looks like a toolbox and 4 cans of gasoline. Coming around now to this side, there's some mud splattered up on the truck. You can see some mud there also. See the Firestone tires. Now to me, these tires feel rubber. Yeah. These tires are rubber, I believe, by just feeling them. Underneath, the chassis and underneath is all in brown for the mud. This would be like if Bigfoot 1 was going through a mud pit and stuff. Back in the day, if you guys remember that or followed that. I like that when they would go through the mud pits. That'd be pretty cool. Up on the front window shield, it has Bigfoot with like footsteps on each side. It says Bigfoot 4x4x4. So this is really, really cool. Also the lights. It's a nice, decent weight to it as well. Does it roll? It can roll a little bit. Has a fairly decent roll to it. But this is awesome looking Bigfoot 1. Kings of Crunch. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give a thumbs up